Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best gaming laptop in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Dell G15 5520 Gaming Laptop. 15.6-inch FHD 120Hz display, Core i5 12508, 8GB DDR5 RAM, 512GB SSD, NVIDIA RTX 3054 GB GDDR6, Intel Wi-Fi 6, Windows 11 Home, Dark Shadow Gray. We've been fans of Dell's G5 line ever since it first appeared a few years ago. Now dubbed the G15, it starts at under $1,000, and while not the most powerful gaming laptop, it features all of the latest hardware, like Intel's 13th generation CPUs and NVIDIA's RTX 40 series cards. You can also find AMD Ryzen chips in some models. This budget-friendly gaming laptop is a bit heavy, weighing over 5 pounds, but it's a solid notebook otherwise. And you can even bring it into mid-range gaming territory if you spec up to the RTX 4060. Number 4. ASUS ROG Zephyrus G1414 Gaming Laptop. AMD Ryzen 9, 16GB memory. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. 1TB SSD, Moonlight White. 14 in Full HD display with 1920x1080 resolution, with 120Hz refresh rate. Latest AMD Ryzen 9 4900SB 10th Gen Intel Core i7 10750H, 8-core processor up to 4.30 GHz. 1TB SSD, 16GB DDR4 RAM. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 Max Key Graphics, backed by 6GB GDDR6 dedicated video memory, virtual reality ready. Speakers with smart MP technology and Dolby Atmos. Two 2.5 speakers produce incredible Dolby Atmos sound. Wireless/wired connectivity. Wi-Fi 6 to 800 and 2.11x. Chiclet keyboard with white backlight allows you to enjoy comfortable and accurate typing, even in dim lighting. Weighs 3.64 ounces and measures 0.7 thin, Windows 10 Home. Number 3. Razer Blade 15 Gaming Laptop. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti. 12th Gen Intel 14 Core i7 CPU, 15.6 QHD 240Hz. 16GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB PCI SSD, Windows 11, CNC Aluminum, Chroma RGB, Thunderbolt 4. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti GPU. The new GeForce RTX 3070 Ti is up to 70% faster than RTX 2070's superior laptops, and can deliver 100 frames per second at Number 2. Acer Predator Triton 500 Southeast Gaming Creator Laptop 12th Gen Intel i9 12900H GeForce RTX 3080 Ti 16 WQXGA 240Hz G-Sign-C display 32GB LPDDR5 1TB Gen 4x4 SSD Killer Wi-Fi 6 EPT 51652s 99EL. Extreme performance. Compete or create with impressive power and speed of the 12th generation Intel Core i9 12900 processor, featuring 14 cores and 20 threads to divide and conquer any creative task or run your most intensive games. RTX sits on the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti. 16GB dedicated GDDR6 VRAM is powered by award-winning Ampere architecture, with NVIDIA Advanced Optimus, ray tracing cores, tensor cores, and streaming multiprocessors supporting DirectX 12 Ultimate for the ultimate gaming performance. Number 1. Razer Blade 14 Gaming Laptop. AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX CPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti, 14 QHD 165Hz, 16GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB PCI SSD, Windows 11, ultra-thin, CNC Aluminum, Chroma RGB. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti GPU. The new GeForce RTX 3070 Ti is up to 70% faster than RTX 2070 superior laptops and can deliver up to 100 frames per second at 1440p resolution. Voltage, 230.0 volts. AMD Ryzen 9 8-core CPU. Experience cutting-edge speed with the newly released AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS 8-core CPU with up to 4.9 GHz of max boost for unrivaled performance to take on the most demanding gaming and creative tasks. QHD 165Hz display. High refresh rates. Meet high resolution to provide a responsive gaming experience that comes with a greater level of detail and fluidity.